Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you all about this Torani chocolate chip cookie dough syrup. It tastes so good. It tastes like a chocolate chip cookie dough piece, like the little nuggets you get in ice cream. I love it. I love adding it to my coffee. It makes me feel like a little barista. So it's super fun and just helps me to save money, having something at home so easy to pump into my coffee. So I love this. I definitely recommend it. A little bit goes a long way. 2 pumps is 1 tablespoon, full tablespoon. So really a little bit goes away. That's all you really need, honestly, in my opinion, but depends how sweet you like your coffee. So definitely think you should check this out, and that is my point of view.